I'm proud to be of service. Now, mind the captain, don't be nervous. Victoria and Bakerloo, Hammersmith and City too. With Jubilee and Circle Line, your travel plans will all work out just fine. Just ask Ernie. Underground Ernie. Just ask Ernie. Underground Ernie. The importance of being Ernie. Morning, Millie. Oh. What's that song?
It's Sam Seven's latest hit, Ernie.
Sam Seven? That's the pop star who's playing at the theatre tonight.
Yes! Here, listen to this! Excitement spreads as fans wait for pop superstar Sam Seven to arrive. His exact movements are a closely guarded secret. But we know his plans, don't we, Ernie?
We do, Millie, because Jubilee is going to be looking after him.
I can't believe I'm meeting Sam Seven today. First I'm collecting him from the airport, and then I'm taking him to his hotel. I'm so excited!
Now, Jubilee, remember, you've got to keep it a secret.
You don't want hundreds of fans suddenly turning up at the hotel. Don't worry, everyone. I'm good at keeping secrets.
You really like Sam Seven, don't you, Millie?
Oh, yes! I'm his #1 fan! Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, darn. I can't get it out of my head.
Could think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you.
Young man, I'm going to have to ask you to stop.
But Ernie's asked me to play. He thought it would be a treat for everybody.
If you were playing something classical, now that would be a treat. Let me take you to another station.
Oh, Mr. Rails, I'm so excited about Sam Seven.
What's that, lad?
Nothing. I didn't say anything. In fact, I have nothing to say, and I certainly don't have any secrets. Nice talking to you. Bye!
Try Jubilee's line. He likes pop music.
Guess what? I'm off to collect Sam Set. I mean, you know who, from the airport.
Everywhere I go, I keep hearing his song. That entertainer fellow was even playing at one of me stations.
Good, Jubilee, you're running exactly on time.
Well, I wouldn't want to be late for you-know-who. I'm his #1 fan.
Really? But Millie said she was his #1 fan.
Maybe I'm his #2 then. Oh, I can't wait to meet Sam Seven.
I know you're excited, but you must be careful with your big secret.
Don't worry. You can rely on me. Hey, thanks for the lift. No problem. Bakerloo told me you can play Sam Seven's latest hit. Yes? 'Cause I can't think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you. I can't think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you. Wow! You sound just like Sam 7. I'm meeting him later today. I'm collecting him from the airport and taking him to the Hollywood Hotel. Oh no! Oops, I shouldn't have told you that. It was a secret. Oh no, the fans heard me.
Jubilee, why are you staying so long at the hotel?
Oh, it's just a little busy.
Ernie, there's something up with Jubilee. He's running late, and his carriages are full of people screaming.
Oh, I'll meet up with him at the airport.
Ernie, I'm so sorry. I've broken the secret about Sam 7. I've just dropped off about 200 fans outside the Hollywood Hotel.
Oh, and Sam 7's plane has just landed.
I've ruined everything, haven't I?
Well, maybe we can come up with a plan. We need to find someone to lead the fans from the hotel, like a decoy.
A decoy?
Yes, we need someone to pretend to be Sam 7. The trouble is, they have to be able to sing like him.
The underground entertainer. He can sing just like Sam 7.
Might just work, if we can find him in time.
I'll get Millie to help.
This is an urgent message. Has anyone seen the underground entertainer?
We haven't seen him since lunchtime, Millie. I haven't seen him since breakfast.
I haven't seen him at all yet.
Bakerloo, are you there? Bakerloo! Are you playing music?
The entertainer's teaching me the words to that Sam 7 song. Catchy little number.
Bakerloo, can I have a quick word with the underground entertainer? We need his help.
The entertainer's on his way to the hotel. So, where's Sam 7? Is he here yet?
Hi, Jubilee. How's it going?
Sam 7? Is that you?
Great disguise, eh? Here's my cap, Ernie.
Yippee!
I better scoot off and give these to the entertainer.
Good luck.
Wow, you look just like Sam 7.
I feel like him too.
Well, here goes, eh?
I can't think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you.
It's him! And there he is! It's Sam 7!
That must be his train. Let's get on it. Come on, Sam. They're all on board now, Bakerloo.
Right, Mr. 7, let's go for a tour of the underground.
It worked. They've all gone.
Sam, I'm really sorry. I let slip about the hotel.
Don't worry. It's all sorted now. I must send some free tickets to that entertainer friend of yours. He's done me a great favour.
Sam 7! Sam 7! Sam 7! Sam 7! All right.
Ernie, you and Jubilee saved the day. How can I thank you?
I've got an idea.
Millie, can you come to the platform straight away, please? It's important.
Okay, I'll just switch to automatic.
I can't wait to see Millie's face.
What's wrong, Mr. Rails?
Hello, Millie.
Wow, Sam 7? Oh.
No, I can think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you. No, I can think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you, me and you.
I can't believe it, Jubilee. You met Sam 7.
Yeah, and so did Millie.
She's his #1 fan, you know.
I'm afraid that's not entirely correct.
And why is that, Bakerloo?
Because I'm his #1 fan now. 'Cause I can't think of anything I'd rather do than see the whole wide world, just me and you.
Oh.
Oh, dear me.